Hey there, how's it going? We're finally working on the old GMC motorhome again. Come check it out. It's a lot of fun. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Joe, and we're going to be working on my 77 GMC motorhome again. This time we are going to seal the roof, restore the paint, and do all kinds of cosmetic stuff, along with all new wheels and tires, and take it from this to this. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So first I gotta drive this behemoth up to the shop and get it all washed off. And now we wash.
Oh, he's gonna back it in. It's like a big slice of butter. Buy my Corolla so I can get a van. He's got a van. I want a van. Take this and
All right, party people, we are in the shop and I am on the roof. If you remember from the last RV episode, I had quite the series of unfortunate events with the self-leveling lap sealant. Really pretty displeased with how it came out. It's pretty disgusting looking. And so my first order of business is to finish that. So that's what I've done, and I've gotten a new coat of some better lap sealant over the skylight, over that patch, just around everything. And I am much happier with how that looks. There's still some rough parts, but I think it looks pretty good. So let me show you what's next. So the next issue lies within these side windows on the front. And they've leaked over the years, and somebody's put in some, I don't know what that is, old silicone or something. Whatever it is, it's all dry and crusty. And it goes all the way around the window. And I gotta scrape all that out, clean it real good, and put in some new sealant. And here we have the final product. I did buff the paint just around where the sealant was going. But you can see all those gaps are closed up. And it's nice and black. I'm no expert in fluid dynamics, but I left the bottom all exposed because I do know whatever water that does get in has to be able to come out, and it's always going to go down. So that's why we leave the bottom. Got it all around the top of the windshield there. And I just finished up passenger side. I now need to do the same deal to all the big windows. These have this problem where the gaskets shrink and the window slides over, so I got to pull the gaskets out, clean out the track, slide the window back over, and glue the gasket back in, and do some sealing to fill up some gaps. And since the decals all got pressure washed off of there, I'm gonna have to get this residue off. There's still all the adhesive left, so that's gonna be quite the job. So now I got to get the old stickers off. I'm going to use this. This is called an eraser wheel, and it's just a big rubber disc, and you just spin it, and it just melts the stickers off, basically. And you got to be careful to not burn the paint, but it does a pretty good job. So let's get after it. Well, it took me about 2 hours, but I got the stickers cleaned off this whole front quadrant here, and I just went ahead and buffed the paint on it. You can see there's still a shadow of where the sticker was, just kind of discoloration in the paint where it's yellowed where there was no sticker. So I'll figure that out, but that's where we're at. I think it's going to be a long day. The RV is now officially stripeless. No stripes on this side. Front's all cleaned up. And none on this side. So I finished everything with the eraser wheel and finished the wet sanding. And I just polished where the stripe was. You can see what a big difference that makes. Pretty happy with how that came out. So now I just got to make the entire RV look like that. So I suppose I will put you guys up on the time lapse, and I'm going to polish the whole deal. One side down, 3 more to go. They could might be out of gas. So the paint is all done, polished, nice and shiny. I've already gone ahead and fixed all of the gaskets around the windows, resealed all of the side windows, and I've just went ahead and painted all the window frames, so those are nice and shiny black. And now that it's looking so nice again, I think this thing deserves to have a stripe. So I'm gonna see if I can't make that happen. All right, it is about 6 hours later, and everything is sanded, scuffed, taped, and cleaned, and ready for paint. So since I got some bare aluminum here, I'm going to hit that with some self-etching primer for some better adhesion, and then I'll go ahead and start painting this thing. I'm going to put you guys on the time lapse, and you can see what it looks like. Alright, I've got one more thing in store for you guys for this video. 7 more things. And this will be the end of it. So, just hang in there. And here it is. So, paintwork's all done. Stripe is done. Just gave it a wash. Here's how the wheels and tires turned out. They are some 16-inch aluminum rims from Ion Alloy, wrapped in a Nexen Rhodian HTX2 for whatever that's worth. Really brings this thing back to the 21st century. It's crazy how much shine this old single-stage paint has left in it when you buff it up. Anyways, I don't want to make this video any longer than it is, but really happy with how this thing's turning out. It's been really fun getting to work on the outside of it now. The inside's almost done. I just have the bathroom to do. And then the whole renovation is done. And then I'm on to the mechanical stuff, the engine, transmission, all that good stuff. So if that's anything you guys want to see, let me know. If not, the next time you guys see this thing, I might be taking it on a trip. So that's going to be it for now. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next one.